Nestled on the west coast, this vibrant metropolis captivates with its rolling hills, iconic architecture, and a bay that shrouds itself in mystic fog. It's a place where historic charm blends seamlessly with contemporary trends, and where every street corner tells a unique tale. In today's video, we're going to explore the top 10 amazing places in San Francisco. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to never miss new videos. Take a look at the description for some travel tips. Number 10. Golden Gate Bridge. Construction of this architectural wonder began in 1933, but it was not without its challenges. The tempestuous winds, treacherous waters, and unforgiving terrain tested the mettle of the brave souls involved in its creation. Yet, they persevered, and after 4 years of relentless effort, the bridge was completed in 1937. A true testament to human resilience. Stretching an impressive 1.7 miles, 2.7 kilometers, the Golden Gate Bridge stands as a symbol of both beauty and strength. Its soaring towers reach a height of 746 feet, 227 meters, seemingly touching the heavens. As you traverse its majestic span, you'll find yourself enthralled by the breathtaking vistas that unfold before your eyes. The panoramic views of the San Francisco skyline, the rugged coastline, and the vast Pacific Ocean will leave you in a state of awe. Number 9. Fisherman's Wharf. Immerse yourself in the vibrant history and culture of this maritime wonderland. Pay a visit to the fascinating Maritime National Historical Park, where you can explore historic ships and learn about the intrepid sailors who braved the high seas. And don't forget to snap a selfie with the world-famous Pier 39 sea lions, whose playful antics are sure to bring a smile to your face. As the sun begins its descent, casting a golden glow over the shimmering waters, Fisherman's Wharf comes alive with irresistible energy. Number 8. Chinatown. Established in the mid-19th century, this bustling enclave stands as the oldest and largest Chinatown in North America, inviting visitors into a world of captivating sights, tantalizing aromas, and a unique fusion of tradition and modernity. As you step into Chinatown, you'll find yourself instantly transported to another realm, where the streets come alive with a symphony of activity. Stroll along Grant Avenue, the main thoroughfare, and be enthralled by the striking red and gold dragon-adorned gate that marks your entry into this captivating district. Let your senses guide you through the narrow alleys, where vibrant lanterns sway overhead, and enticing aromas drift from open doorways, tempting you to explore further. Number 7. Golden Gate Park. Nestled in the heart of San Francisco, this sprawling oasis of excitement and tranquility is a playground for adventure seekers and dreamers alike. Picture a vibrant tapestry of lush greenery, blooming gardens, and shimmering lakes that beckon you to embark on a journey of unforgettable exploration. From the pulse-pounding thrills of biking along winding trails to the captivating melodies that echo through the air, during mesmerizing outdoor concerts, Golden Gate Park is a symphony of excitement. Number 6. Alcatraz Island. Nestled in the shimmering waters of San Francisco Bay, this rocky outpost holds within its boundaries a rich tapestry of history, legends, and untold stories. Prepare to be whisked away to a time when Alcatraz stood as a fortress of isolation, housing some of America's most notorious criminals. Known as The Rock, this formidable island served as a maximum security federal penitentiary from 1934 to 1963. Its impenetrable walls were thought to be a watertight fortress, keeping society safe from the likes of Al Capone, George Machine Gun Kelly, and Robert the Birdman Stroud. But it wasn't just the prisoners who made Alcatraz legendary. It was their audacious escape attempts that truly captured the world's attention. The island witnessed countless desperate bids for freedom, each one pushing the boundaries of human determination and cunning. Number 5. Palace of Fine Arts. Surrounded by lush gardens and serene reflecting pools, the palace offers a tranquil oasis in the heart of the bustling city. Venturing inside the palace, you'll discover an array of captivating exhibitions and galleries. From contemporary art installations to historical masterpieces, the curated collections cater to every artistic taste. One of the most enchanting features of the palace is its breathtaking theater. This intimate venue hosts a variety of performances, including mesmerizing ballets, stirring orchestral concerts, and captivating theatrical productions. Number 4, Lombard Street. What sets it apart from any other street in the world is its remarkable crookedness. This marvel of urban planning features 8 hairpin turns tightly woven into its steep descent, making it a meandering masterpiece that both mesmerizes and challenges all who venture upon it. But why all the twists and turns, you ask? Well, Lombard Street's serpentine design was implemented in 1922 to combat the street's daunting gradient, which posed a considerable challenge for vehicles and pedestrians alike. By introducing the unique switchback configuration, the city created a mesmerizing solution that not only enhanced safety but also transformed the street into a world-famous attraction. Number 3, Mission District. One of the defining features of the Mission District is its strong Latinx influence. The neighborhood has deep roots in the Latino community, with a rich heritage that can be felt in its streets, shops, and cultural institutions. It's a place where traditions are celebrated, and you'll find delicious Mexican cuisine, lively mariachi music, and colorful festivals that bring the streets to life. Speaking of color, the Mission District is renowned for its awe-inspiring street art scene. Murals adorn countless walls, transforming the neighborhood into an open-air gallery. These vibrant works of art tell stories, convey social messages, and reflect the cultural fabric of the area. Number 2, Haight-Ashbury. Haight-Ashbury is the birthplace of the hippie movement, a cultural explosion that shook the world. As you stroll along these iconic streets, prepare to be transported back to a time when love, peace, and freedom were the ultimate aspirations. The neighborhood is an ever-present time capsule, preserving the magic of that era for all to experience. The vivid Victorian houses lining the streets are a feast for the eyes. Painted in psychedelic hues that can make your head spin, these architectural wonders are the perfect backdrop for a neighborhood that's anything but ordinary. Number 1, Castro District. Picture a neighborhood where the streets are paved with rainbows and the air crackles with electric energy. As you stroll down Castro Street, you'll feel an exhilarating sense of liberation and acceptance. The district's rich history as the epicenter of the LGBTQ+ rights movement is palpable at every turn. This is a place that has seen pioneers and warriors fight for love, equality, and the right to be unapologetically fabulous. That was all for today's video, and thank you for watching it. Which place did you like the most? Let us know in the comments. Check out the description for some travel tips. See you next time.